5.1 says determine the following integral. Leave your answer with positive exponents and in SEP form where applicable. So 5.1.1, we're given this integral there, the integral of 1 over x minus x squared dx. So let's just simplify that. So if you simplify that, this is what you have. You'll have your integral. I'm just simplifying that. You'll have your integral. You're supposed to see this is the same as 1 over x minus x into 1 over x minus x. Is like you multiply two same thing there. You understand? So this will be same as 1 will be 1 over x squared. You multiply by that. You also come, you multiply there. Alright. So when you multiply there, you will obtain negative 1. Remember, when you multiply minus 1 over multiply by negative, there will have negative x over x if you multiply that. So this will simply equals to 1. Right, you distribute this one, still this negative 1 into that will simply equals to minus 1. Then you multiply it there, you will have now positive x squared. We have here dx. Then now you can differentiate. So you can take the integral. This is the same as integral of 1 over x squared dx minus, this is 2, it will be negative 2. The integral, I can take the negative outside, will be 2 dx plus the integral of x squared dx. So this is simply just like that. Now the integral of this, before you can rewrite that again a little bit. You can take this to the top, you'll have this to be integral of x minus 2. Alright, dx. Then here we have minus 2 dx plus the integral of x squared dx. So since you have that, you can apply you can integrate now applying the power rule. This will be the integral. You add the exponents, minus 2 plus that, you'll have x. You add the exponents there. If you add the exponents there, you'll have minus 1. Minus 2 minus, you'll have minus 1. Since you add 1 there, divide by the exponents minus 1. Or since you have, let me remove the integral sign. Since you're integrating, let me replace positive sign there. Alright, we have negative minus again. The integral of 2 will simply equals to 2x. We have our plus. Now again, the integral of x squared will simply equals to x. You add 1 on the exponents, will be 3 divided by the exponents plus constant c. So this will be the same as what here we'll have this will be same as negative x minus 1, but you can take this to the bottom again. If you take that to the bottom, you'll simply have minus 1 over x. Alright, it's minus 1 over x. We have this now minus 2x. So this plus 1 over 3x cubed plus our constant c. So this is the answer for part 1. So we have now part 2. Here is our part 2 there. There we're given the integral of what there? We're given the integral there. So we're given again here the integral of 1 over 3x squared plus 2 pi minus 2 over integral of x cubed dx. Alright, let me also try and write this one. Let me write also this integral also. The second integral you've given 3 sec squared 2x plus 2e raised to the power of 3x plus 1 over x dx. Alright, I want to write this on the blank page on the bottom part, right? So I want to write that. Let me paste this here. This is what we have taken there. Alright, so we're supposed to start by this one on the top. Alright, so we have that integral. Let us rewrite this. We can take this on the top, x squared. This is same as 1 over 3. You take x will be minus 2 on the top. Also, thus we can be suitable for us to integrate. We have plus, okay, 2 pi is right. This one here is the same. We have minus. We have this guy there. We have 2 root the x root 3. This is the same as 2 over root 1 over 3. You take this to the top, you'll have 2x minus 1 over 2 over 3, because it's 3 there. This will be 2x minus 1 over 3, like that. That is what we'll have there. All these have dx. Alright, so we can integrate this now. In code standard, can simply integrate that. So the integral of this guy, if we integrate that, obviously supposed to add the exponents, also divide, we'll have 1 over 3, obviously, multiplied, the 1 over 3 multiplied by x, there you'll have minus 1 divided again by minus 1, plus the integral of this is simply just a constant, will be 2x multiplied by what? By x. You have minus 2x, you'll add 1 there. So if you will simply add 1 there, you have negative 1 over 3 plus 1. This there, if you add 1, will be positive 2 over 3, like that. You divide also by 2 over 3. Alright, since we've differentiated, we'll add the constancy. So this negative will be negative 1 over 3. So, and take this to the bottom again. This is the same as multiplied by 1 over x, obviously, plus, when you multiply this is 2 pi x minus this guy there, I can multiply by 3 over 2 on the bottom. Also on the top there, I can multiply by 3 over 2 there. You get that this and this there. This I multiply there will be 3 over 2 multiplied by 2 will simply have 6 over 2. Multiply this multiplied by 2 over 3 plus our constant c. So this is simply equals to 1 over nil case negative 1 3x plus 2 pi x minus 6 divided by this by 2 there will be 3. So we can rewrite that we have x squared over 3. This can be rewritten as square root of x raised to the power of what? Of x cubed raised to the power of squared, like this. So this will be, we have minus there, square root cubed, let me put the, have 3 cubed root of x squared. So that is it. We have our constant c there plus some constant c. This is what we'll have. So yeah, that is what we have there. So this is what you'll have. So what do we have now? We have the second one. We are done with the first part. Now let us try and integrate this one. The integral of this, let's check with anything that is in correct order or not. So okay, everything is in correct order. Okay, this is the same as the integral of 3 sec squared 2x dx plus the integral of 2 there. Take 2 outside of the integral. It's the one and the same thing as like that. E3x plus the integral of 1 over x. So I'm having 3 there. Must say take the integral of this will be tan. Check note, the integral of sec squared x will be tan 2x, but now divide by the inside function. The derivative of the inside will be 2. We'll apply the chain rule in reverse. This will be like a chain rule in reverse. You divide now instead of multiplication. Alright, plus 2 the integral of this. Will you write this as it is, e raised to the power of 3. You divide by the derivative of the exponents will simply equals to what? 3 plus, then this will simply equals to what? Ln x, some constant c there. So you multiply now, this will be 3 tan 2x all over 2 plus 2 3x over 3 plus ln x plus some constant c. So this is what you'll have there so far. Alright, this is what we had there so far. Let me check this file. Let us see 5 point that. So here we've given the integral from 1 up to that. We have x plus 1 over x into dx like this. So we've given this one, we know we've given the lower limit and the upper boundary there, upper limit. So let us simplify the inside a little bit. Let me just simplify the inside. I still have my lower limit and the upper limit there. I want to simplify this using, do you remember, if you have a plus b over c, this you can rewrite this, you can divide that, it will be a over 6 using the fact of this. So we can use this method there over there. So this will be the same as, you divide that, guys, will be x over x, then go like that, plus 1 over x. So but you know this will simply equals to 1 anyway, so you can just write 1 dx. So still have, now we're supposed to integrate. So we'll have now